Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm out in the campgrounds camping and I'm getting ready to have breakfast. I'm starting it right now. I thought I'd do a review for you, and what we're going to do, I'll flip you around and we'll get started. What we're going to have is the Mountain House Adventure Meals Biscuits and Gravy. So this is buttermilk biscuits and with gravy and pork sausage. It's freeze dried, and we're going to boil our water and add to it. We got our water boiling right now. It's not boiling, but it's heating up. So I'll open this up and give you a shot of what it looks like before we start, and then after it's done, I will tell you from experience, this, in my opinion, is the best thing that they have. If I go to Walmart, it's hard to find these. My local Walmart had 2 of them, and I picked them up. They're a little bit pricey. They're about 10 bucks a piece, but they'll feed 2 people, and they're really good when you're camping. You don't have to waste time going and sitting in a restaurant and waiting on people to come to you. So we'll get her opened up and let you see what it looks like. All right, so it's just got a little deal right here. You peel it. I'm gonna open it up real carefully because it's got a Ziploc bag in there, and I don't want to damage the Ziploc bag. All right, and then this guy here, I think it's for moisture. Throw that away. Dispose of it properly. Now here's what you see when you open it up. They're like little croutons. That's your biscuit. I don't know if the camera can pick that up or not. That's your biscuit, and then here's your sausage. And then I assume that powder is probably the gravy. So what you're going to do is you're going to pour your 12 ounces of hot water in here, stir it up real good, zip it up, and then I like to lay it flat like this. But you got to make sure you get it zipped up, otherwise all your water will leak out. So we'll get our water heated up, pour that in there, and keep moving. Okay, I got the boiling water in there. I should have showed you. I like to wait until my water is at a rolling boil, so it's good and hot. Now I'm gonna seal it up real quick before I lose all my heat, but I just wanted to show you that real quick. All right, I got her sealed up and it's sitting there. I'm gonna put a towel over it to help hold the heat in there, and it's gonna set for 10 minutes, and then we'll give it a try. All right, there's my towel, and we're gonna wait for 10 minutes. Okay, so I told you how I was gonna do it, and I am, but I wanna tell you what the instructions say to do. They say, add your boiling water, stir carefully, close the zipper, wait 5 minutes, and then stir again and reseal. But what I do is I just pick it up and I squeeze it, I knead it. I kind of stir it inside the bag so I don't lose my heat. And then rather than wait, the last line there says, wait an additional 4 minutes. That's 9 minutes. To me, it's just easier to look at the clock and do 10 minutes. So that's where we're at. It's really good and warm right here. Feels really full. I'm gonna put her back under the towel and give it 5 more minutes. Okay, so here we go. I'll let you see what we got. You see it's still good and hot. Boy, I tell you what, it looks good, good, good. Look at there. I didn't quite get it stirred great when I was kneading it around. You see some dry spots in there, but I'll just stir them in. I tell you, this smells really, really good. Another thing I'll tell you, if you wanted to go more than the 10 minutes, I think it only gets better, because I've done before where I didn't go the full 9 minutes, and it's not near as good. So the longer you go, I think the better it gets. You just would want to quit before it gets cold. And you can feel on the outside of the bag how cold it gets. So I'll give you a shot here. You can kind of see some biscuit, see a piece of sausage there. And I'm telling you, these are good. I'm gonna put them out on a plate, and then we'll have one look and a bite. All right, so I went ahead and put on 2 plates. So you'd see like the serving size that you would get if it was 2 people eating it. To me, that's more than enough. I'm going to take a bite so you can see my reaction that they are not bad at all. So here we go again. You got some sausage on there and some biscuit. Ready? I mean, so here's the difference between this and homemade. The sausage is just a little bit rubbery. but this is really good. The gravy makes it, I think, and the biscuit tastes like a really good biscuit from, not like you make at home. It's like a homemade biscuit. They're just really good. So that's it. That's good camp eating. Okay, this one's a wrap for the Mountain House Adventure Meals Biscuits and Gravy. I'm giving this one 2 thumbs up. As you can see, plate's clean. I just pretty much licked it clean. I'm gonna wash those dishes and I'm gonna go exercise off my calories for the day, doing some hiking in this beautiful Shawnee National Forest. So we thank you all for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. We'll see you on the next one. Bye.